everybody, welcome to Cry of Fear Part 2, which I was planning to do months ago, but give me a second, when did I create my last Cry of Fear video? Let's find out. It has been almost exactly 8 months since I released my first Cry of Fear video. There seems to be a little gag in my series because Resident Evil 7 Part 3 took like 5 months to release, and I not only finished like 2 game series, but I also did a bunch of other content. I should have probably honestly took a bit more time to mess with the audio settings, because Source games are unnecessarily loud. Alright, so the elevator. We gotta escape now, guys. I'm gonna turn this down a bit more, because I don't know if it's cutting out my beautiful voice, guys. So that being said, we are starting with Cry of Fear. Or in the first episode, I ended off next to a tape recorder, and this room doesn't have a tape recorder. If you don't know, tape recorders are like the save points, and there ain't any here. Are those Converse? They kind of look like it. Those things are so comfortable to wear. Anyways. What a wonderful place to start off. That's amazing. So we got really creepy writing. You know, all that stuff. Can't view videotapes with this. I can't view videotapes with this? I literally... They're beating them up. Not the dingling snipper! Oh. That was the head snipper. Oh. That is not close to what I was thinking. Not close. It's 2789. Just counting at this point. Great. Honestly, great. Yeah, so sometimes Source games could just be so loud. It's crazy. Was this open? Oh, yes, this does open. There's a lady with swords for hands breaks it open. Totally did not scare the jeeba-jabbers out of me. I need to get to the elevator to get a talk about this if I interact with it. What the? They weren't here before! Absolutely incredible voice acting by me. I know. I know. Don't give me the Oscar yet. I thought that was a diaper. I thought those papers were diapers. What am I doing with my life, gang? This isn't Tactical Assault VR or Milsim. Why am I... Oh, I have to go to the bottom floor. Oopsie daisy. Okay. I need to exit to the main hall, which I think I could have done here. I literally could have done that right there. I promise I'm smart, guys. Also, someone had a lot of ketchup and they didn't want to share with their friends. What a shame. Okay, Gabe, you can stop with the music. Even though I like it. The music's pretty fire. Oh, this elevator. Oh, I thought it meant the other one. Okay, what was the code again? 2789. Oh, hello. I forgot it's not like that. Oh. It's one of these elevators, right? Off we go, fellas. His blank stare, dude. I think it's hell. Honestly. I think we just made it to hell. I'll be completely honest with you. Fire extinguisher. I want to... Yo, shut up, man. I'm trying to do a bit. Ooh. Glock 19 magazine. Is this a Glock 19? It is. I keep forgetting escape isn't button. I want to taste the foamy goodness. Pause. Why am I trying to interact with a boarded door? Like, what? You can't open the boarded door? Who could have guessed? It's giving me a lot of ammunition. Is that like a heartbeat? You guys hear that, right? Let's go up. Boop, 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 boop. It sounds just like a heartbeat. Anything on the ground? Like, I thought that was morphine right there. Hello? You know it's bad when they put a tape recorder right here. You know it's bad. Alright, fight me, demons! Is that a lawnmower? Or a chainsaw? Oh, it's the dude from the beginning. It's very much a chainsaw. Hello. Get away from me! It's my Second Amendment right, and I will use it! Oh, what? Oh, I have to shoot that thing on your back, do I? Okay, that explains it. Like, shoot you to stun you? It's literally an old Source game. I do, okay. 9mm for the win. I promise I'm good at the game, guys. You know what? Oh yeah, I forgot. Oh! Well. Game over, guys. It's my first death. I forgot that the pause menu or the inventory does not pause your game. So I'm going to prematurely set this to 2 so I can use my melee if necessary. I also know how to... So cutscene plays, don't have to watch it, boom. Alright. Anyways. So I think we have to... I just want to get some damage off. So I want to see... Okay, I'm not gonna risk it. Holy, you're fast. I want to see if knifing does more damage. I think this way's faster, is it not? It is. Okay. It's one of these boss fights in Source that are so easy to just dodge. Okay, so I think using the knife, non-butterfly grip, is the way to go. Oh! Dude! Look at his HP! He's also like... I like how they designed him. I like how they designed him to not, like... What is it with so many characters just killing themselves in the game? honest reaction, I would do the same. Flashback. It's a weird flashback. Oh.
Did I pass out?
Yes, actually.
Who's that?
Relax. I am not one of them.
Who are you then?
I'm nobody.
What?
You shouldn't be here. It's very dangerous.
Neither should you.
Wait. Why are you wearing a gas mask?
I used to be or something. So I look like I won't turn into one of them. I can't trust you. I don't know if you're real. Just leave me alone.
So is it like... I agree, Simon. Though it's very weird, because, like... Who is that doctor? I like how the previous... I like how it's just called Sick Apartments. Like, what? Just immediately turns around and leaves. Can I go the same way he can't? Okay, he locked the door. Nope. Are you a rat? Oh no, you're one of the like first dudes you encounter, but you're crawling on all fours with your head not positioned correctly. You should get that checked out, buddy. Why is your mouth okay? Ooh, drugs! Okay, never, and I mean never pick up anything you see on the ground in like an environment like this. For all I know, this could be heroin. I could be injecting myself with heroin this whole time. So I'm gonna assume, by the fact the doctor said like, does it look like I want to turn into one of them? Ooh, nice, clock 19. I'm gonna assume this it's like an infection. It's like a pathogen, you know. Or it's all in Simon's head, you know. You know, that could also be a factor. See, clearly the black door is better. Oh, outside, yay! Police. Ooh, a baton? If I drop an item. Oh, that's cool, I can pick it up. Okay, I want to figure out which one's better. I'm gonna slash this cop's tires. It's really cool though. You know, good time to test out the nightstick. Okay, I'm just pulling out the stupid blicky. This is how you solve all your issues, fellas. Just pull out the blicky. Most of it's too dirty to make out. Seems like an article about depression. Sounds familiar? Don't delay. Call 543-214 today. Okay. So 543-214. 543-214.
Hello? Hello? Who is this? What the fuck are you talking about? I need help, please! God damn it! Help me!
5247. Checking on it. Oh, thank goodness. Thank gosh Simon could just put down notes. I know a guy in real life named Simon, and he's not good at doing notes. No offense, buddy. You're probably the only one. probably the only one watching this. Wait. 5247. Oh, let's go. Second try. Oh, hello. Door shut behind me. Someone definitely is too big for this staircase. The f- Yeah, no thanks. Big no thanks. Is this a freaking maze, dude? Hell no, dude. I am out of here. Get me down the ladder, please. Get me the heck out of here. Oh. We're in the sewers, guys. If you find any chocolate, don't eat it. Don't eat any chocolate you find down here. Oh. Stay in that. Really dark. Oh no. You. Use my ammo to my ability. 2 rounds. Oh, suck me off when you said that. I did not say that. You did not hear any word I just said. I apologize if it's way too loud. You guys can't hear nothing. I'm actually going to... What if I jump down? Oh, there is no ladder. Well, Geronimo. Oh, someone behind me too. I'm just gonna run. You out of my way, buddy. Out of my way. Yeah. Can't crouch jump, can you, boy? If I miss some important, useful items there, I'm gonna be sad. But I'm also not gonna care. Because I value my life. But he's got an arm. You can hear the radio going off. That is... I thought that was a cat from how the angle was, but that is not a cat. That is a weird flesh goblin from Friday Hunts or whatever that Five Nights at Freddy's ripoff is called. Where am I? I left for like 2 seconds. I already forgot where I am. Oh, beat you up, brother. Is that your tongue? I just beat a guy to death. I'm that good at beating people off. Watch that I keep progressing through the game. Watch that I like miss so many health and ammunition, maybe even guns. Oh, we're in like a wind. We're in like a construction site of sorts. Anything of interest back here at all? Absolutely nothing. Except a tree. Is that a tree? Yeah, it's just a tree. I can fit through that. No, I can't. I used to go to a park and it would have these they would literally just have like concrete tunnels that you could crawl into. They're like, yeah, kids could. We trust kids with that. No, and wrong at all. I have the game in a windowed mode, and you guys don't see it like that. You guys see it full screen. I'm just looking at this, and there's literally a community guide that is just every location for all the syringes. That's dedication. How to not get addicted to morphine is another one. What an interesting thing. Alright, anyways. I opened up the command, man, the console. I don't want that. Should we go on a, ammunition? But that's not what I'm looking for. Actually, it kind of is. I'm looking for everything. Oh! Michael Myers ripoff! That... You should get a better costume, buddy. Can we go through the door? No, the door is locked. Ready? Huh. Michael Myers ripoff. I'm gonna beat you up, brother. Beat! Bull. Oh, eliminated! I should not be doing voices like that or talking too loud. Oh, keypad. Too loud because I'm sick and my throat really hurts. And I'm yelling-ish. Talking loudly and stuff. Because I don't want to make the audio too low to where you physically can't hear the game. But I also don't want it to be too high. There's a magazine here. I didn't even see it. Not that magazine. This magazine. You know, the one that goes bam, bam, bam. You know. Did someone piss? Oh, that's. It's not pee. Ooh, syringe. All right, personal note. Jeff, welcome to the team. I'm sure your supervisor's already gone through the basics. But here's a few things you'll want to know. The cave is wet, cold, and filled with puddles. Who could have guessed? Watch your step. Cigarette breaks every 2 hours. It's most important. If none of our employees get a mandatory cigarette break, we will have a citywide meltdown. The supervisor is a massive dick. He loves dicks. He loves everybody. Do not be in a room alone with him. That's what we get off from this. Remember the code to Section D? You're going to be going back and forth all day. You'll need to memorize it. I would already suck at the job. I have terrible memory. As you can tell from my upload schedule and stuff. So you need to memorize it. The code is 279. Last number is covered in ink. I can't read it. Of course it is. Can I just shoot the gasoline? Or oil, my bad. So, I guess I just have to brute force the last number of the code. Fire. Can I just pick up this whole barrel? I can withstand the heat. I got fingerless gloves. I can do it. 2791 2792 2793 2794 2795 2796 2797 2798 2798. Michael Myers wannabe. Nothing like excessive use of force. Ha. Every corrupt police officer will be happy with me. They crawl now, apparently. They fly now? They fly now. Oh, buddy. You freaking thought. You fucking thought. Is he a thought? I don't know. Chocolate shells. Oh my. Don't mind if I do. So I'm getting a shotgun soon. This just lead me to the same. Buddy, you want to try to get me? But did you just take your friend? Did you see? This is hilarious. I find this really funny. I don't even need to double tap their bodies. Why am I trying? Better safe than sorry, Buster. Oh. He did not get Kurt Cobain because Kurt Cobain did not shoot himself. It was actually revealed that it was the opposite. Yeah, fun fact. They recently went over his case and figured out, I don't think it was a suicide, buddy. It was very clearly a manslaughter. His wife probably shot him. It's what people are saying now. So that's fun. Apparently his wife was also a psychopath or whatever. So that the hell? Holy moly, okay, great time to use the shotgun. Shotgun power! Okay, it is not working as effectively as I was hoping. One of them just passed away. Beat you up, brother. I got bored. But he was literally just here 2 seconds ago. What the? What? I know it's probably source like. But it's probably source stuff like, you know, despotting bodies. This is gold source, actually. Probably don't want to stare on top of it. That seems like a good idea. Ow, ow. Okay, so it was a good idea. We burnt the door lock. I promise I'm smart. Sewer key, alright, alright. Couldn't we just, like, break the glass, though? Wouldn't that have worked? I like how this game doesn't typically just send 30 trillion enemies at you. Sometimes it does, but it's not crazy fast. It's not crazy stuff. You know? Okay. You know, because I'm sick, and I think this has been going for like 30 minutes or something, I'm actually going to edit here. I'm going to peek around this corner. Okay, I'm actually going to edit here because I'm sick, and I don't feel good. My throat really hurts, and I don't know why I'm just continuing speaking. Anyways, that was it for this one. I will definitely make part 3. I also just want to get more recording out of the more recording done and stuff. I'm gonna try to get some co videos going, or just videos with other people. And I also got a bunch of other games I can record and stuff. So see y'all later. Remember, I am sick. It's a good thing I just saved, because I would have saved like 4 bullets. And remember, Kurt Cobain POV.